I'm Ron Plants, and leading us off here at 4:30, while marijuana has been formally legalized for recreational use here in New York State, there's still a lot behind the scenes that will have to happen before it's sold and distributed legally. So today, we had a chance to talk with the Assembly Majority Leader, People-Stokes of Buffalo, who is the guiding force behind that legislation. While it's estimated it could take 18 months to 2 years to set up the framework for legal marijuana sales and state oversight, the Assembly member feels it could speed up come June once a 5-member commission or control board called the Office of Cannabis Management is appointed, like the State Liquor Authority, to approve various sales, growing, and distribution licenses.
I anticipate that could be complete prior to the end of session, meaning then we can begin fast tracking the establishment of the regulations, etc.
The actual licensing of who gets to grow and sell it could be intense, with plenty of corporate competition for neighborhood shops.
How concerned are you that these major operators, some of them from out of state, will be coming in here and trying to set up dispensaries versus the mom and pop operation, which may want to do it?
There is a 50% goal towards equity business, and equity business, essentially means minority and women-owned businesses, people who have been disenfranchised by the mass incarceration, veterans, disabled veterans, as well as distressed farmers.
People-Stokes wants to make sure some of the state-collected revenue goes back into impoverished minority neighborhoods hit hard by the war on drugs.
Normally, it's simply the executive that manages agencies. This time, there is a role for the legislative branch, and it is because we are concerned about the implementation.
She also wants to see research in a particular area with public safety implications.
Nobody knows how much THC in your system determines impairment. Even though, there are 14 other states that went before us and a country and many other countries in this world, no one has really done the real deep dive into the science to figure out how much THC is in your system that will create you to be an impaired driver.
People-Stokes hopes most of the state-funded research could be done at UB's lab and research centers. Ron Plants, Channel 2 News.